Hey there, Excel wizards! Are you ready to level up your spreadsheet game? Today we're uncovering the magic of match and index functions, the dynamic duo that outshines VLOOKUP. Let's dive in. Start with a common scenario where VLOOKUP falls short. Maybe it's looking left in a table or searching with multiple criteria. Show a quick example in the #n/a error we all dread. Introduce match and index as the heroes of our story. Explain match finds the position and index retrieves the value. Use simple graphics to illustrate their roles. Show a basic example. Use match to find a row number and index to fetch the value from that row. It's like a coordinate system for your data. Now reveal the true power. Two-way lookups. Show how match and index work together to find a value at the intersection of a row and column. This is where they really outperform VLOOKUP. Tease some advanced uses like multiple criteria lookups, case-sensitive searches, and dynamic ranges. Promise more in-depth tutorials if viewers are interested. Encourage viewers to try match and index in their next project. Remind them that with these functions, they have more flexibility and power at their fingertips. Sign off with an invitation to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips. Don't forget to comment below with your match and index success stories or questions. Happy spreadsheeting!